spirit of Vande Mataram. Listen to this guy singing of 150 years of Vande Mataram, 150 years of enduring legacy of this land, 150 years of our steadfast integrity to our motherland. CISF, the seal of the silent century. CISF does not seek the spotlight. It creates the safety in which the nation's life unfolds. From humming turbines of our farmlands to the silent walls of our heritage, rest is a promise. It says, rest easy for we are awake. Protection, security, and a quiet, steely discipline. This is our signature among the nation. Next up, Coastal Cyclotron. Thousands of miles, millions of heartbeats. Coastal Cyclotron 2026 was never just a race against the clock. It is a thread of sweat, spirit, stitched along the hem of India's coastline. It's a declaration that our shores are not boundaries but bridges, linking the salt springs of the west to the sunrise of the east. Observe the geometry of the movement, the emblem, chakra of our modern journey. It is a circle of health, cycle of nature, and the continuous loop of beauty. In this outline, we see the unity of the force, a wheel that turns for the environment, for the community, and for the future of a greener India. Next up, a cycle taking shape. A machine of grace and gold. Bicycle is the ultimate metaphor for
Cycle.
balance in the face of wind. Momentum, born of individual effort, and the quiet power of moving forward. Every rotation of the celestial wheel honors the grit of our riders who have conquered the heart and hills to bring this message to the land of Goa. Next up, the Indian map, a golden line drawn upon the map of our destiny. Trace the route
India map.
from the jagged cliffs of the northwest, down through the palms of Konkan, to this very shore. This isn't just a geography. It is a map of human endurance. Each glowing dot is a village reached, a hand shaken, and a heart inspired by the men and women in khaki. Next up, we remember the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. A shadow returns to the coast. 80 years ago, he walked to the sea to claim our salt and our soul. Today, we cycle in his memory. Gandhiji reminds us that the strength is not found in muscle alone, but in an unleashed will. As he walks across the stars tonight, we remember that our greatest journey is always the one towards truth and self-reliance. Next up, the modern architect of our nation is Sardar Patel. Sri Vallabhbhai Patel, the architect. If Gandhi gave us our soul, Sardar Patel gave us our shape. He took 1,000 fragments and forged a single unbreakable sword. CISF stands today as a tribute to his vision of unified and disciplined India. He is the Iron Man in our history, and tonight he is the pillar of our fire. Next up, Prime Minister Modi. This is the era of the new India, a nation that builds, a nation that dreams, and a nation that secures its own destiny. Inspired by the call of Viksit Bharat by Honorable Prime Minister, we no longer look at the horizon with hesitation, but with hunger. Next up, a silhouette of a ship. The titans of the tide, from protecting the makers of these ships to enabling the security of maritime trade. CISF looks upon the ship, the vessel of our prosperity. From the ports of Mumbai to the docks of Goa and beyond, CISF stands guard over the engines of our economy. Next up, the new triangular Sunset Bhavan, or the Indian Parliament, the temple of the people. This is where our diversity finds its voice and our chaos finds its law. To guard the Parliament is to guard the breath of democracy itself. As this majestic structure forms in the air, we renew our vow to shield the institutions that make us free, the cornerstone of our republic watched over by the eyes of this very force. Next up, a visual of a palm tree with the Goa. The pearl has found its setting. Here in Goa, where the air tastes of salt and freedom, our dream reaches its crescendo. The swaying palm trees are the spectators of our success. To the people of this beautiful land, we thank you. You have turned a mission into a celebration and a trek into a triumph. Next up, an animation of the Indian flag. There she is, the Tiranga. The flag does not fly because the wind moves her. She flies because of the last breath of every soldier who died protecting her. Saffron for the fire in our blood, white for the peace in our soul, and green for the fertility of our future. Look up, India, your pride is written in the stars. As we close out this brilliant drone demonstration, we've witnessed the final animation of our night. The words humming across our country land. Jai Hind. One final salute, one final word. Let the sound of these two words echo from the guards to the sea. We are the CISF, we are the guardians, we are India. Jai Hind. As the nation marches ahead, CISF stands strong, protecting the economic progress and the prosperity of our country. As the wheel turns towards a brighter and prosperous India, CISF stands resolute, disciplined, and ever ready to shoulder any tasks, any assignments that we may need with.